Some of my friends have been asking me to make a video regarding how to insert page number in a Word document file. Like for example, how to insert the Roman numerical and also the number like 1, 2, 3. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to do it. Alright, I have the ready-made file here, document, Word document. I already opened it, and now I'm going to show you how to do it. Alright, this is a random paper which I'm using. It's a curriculum planning, so I'm going to use this one. Okay, so as you can see here, this paper is totally blank. Okay, there is no page number as such. Okay, this is page 1, and then page 2 also no page number. Okay, so the first page is a cover page. Okay, this will be the cover page, and the second page will be the table of contents. Okay, the table of contents has two pages, and then after that your introduction or your chapter 1 will start. So I'm going to show you how to insert page number, different page number in a different page. Okay, so the first one, probably you want to leave it as blank without page number, and then you want to start your page number from the second page. You want to put your first page, you want to start your first page from this table of content. Okay, from the second page. Alright, so what you need to do is, I will show you a little bit some idea, some technique how to do it. Okay, so first you have to go here, insert. After insert, you go to page number, then you go to bottom page, or you can choose anyone, either top or bottom is okay. You go to bottom, you can also, okay, I'll choose the middle one. Okay, alright, when I selected, the page number is already there, automatically will be there. So 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Okay, the page goes. Okay, now suppose you want to remove this page number from here. Okay, and you want to start the page number 1 from your table of contents. So what you need to do is, you go to the first line of your next page. Okay, of your second page. So this is your first page, this is your second page, the first line. So probably this one. Okay, check here. Yeah, this one, this is my first line of the second page. So you go here, you click there, and then you go to layout. Alright, and then you go to break, and then next page. Okay, once you selected next page, you go to the bottom of your second page, double click here, and then you will see this option here under design. There is an option which talks about the link to previous. So you click here, link to previous. After you're done, you double click here again, and then you go to insert again. You go to page number, you go to format, and then you selected the Roman numerical, and then start at 1, numerical 1. Okay, Roman numerical 1. Okay, so if you look here, your page started from Roman numerical. Okay, 1, then 2, and then 3, and so on. Okay, so now if you look at your first page again, this one, the page number is still there. So all you need to do is, you just double click here, and then you delete it, just like that. Okay, and then after that you double click. Now your first page, your number, now your page number will start from your table of content. Your first page, it will be a blank. Alright, now your table of content, the numbering is in Roman 1 and 2. Alright, now in your, suppose this is your chapter 1 or your introduction. So from this page, you want to put a numerical, not Roman, not like this, not Romans anymore, but numerical. So all you have to do is, you as you can see here, see, this is also numerical. All you have to do is, you click it to the first line of this page. So if you want to check, you can click here, so it show here. So that means that this is the first line for this pages. So you go here, you click in the first line, you click here, you go again to layout, you go to break, next page. Okay, once you're done, this is already started into page 1 again, but in Roman. So all you have to do is you go to insert, go to page number, format page number, you change this one from Roman to numbering, start from 1. Okay, now if you look at your paper, now the page number for this chapter or for your introduction is started from 1, 2, 3 and 4 and next. The rest of the pages is like this. Okay, so I hope you got some idea how to do it. Alright, so this is your cover page, is blank, no page number as such, and then your page number started from the table of content. Okay, 1 in Roman, and then number 2. Okay, and then this is your introduction, it started again from page 1, page 2 and next, and that's how it goes. Okay, for the rest of the pages. If you find this video helpful, please share it and let our friends who are working, especially those students who are working in their thesis, research paper and all. I believe that this video will help them how to split the pages from Roman numerical to numerical, and then yeah, it's like this. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you so much.